Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to CAS video update today. So CAS right now is just on a consolidation sideways, and the price is pretty much at 50480. It seems like anyone who is trying to short this coin is getting wrecked because there's no any signs of going down at all. It should have actually gone down way long ago, and that is when we were here. This was the opportunity to pop down, but we never went down. We went up, give this technical target. We almost meet the target, and ever since it has just been a consolidation now. So the progress here is a trend line is in the making, okay, and this trend line is something like that. Okay, you have this trend line once again. It's just a very carbon copy of this right over here. So you're moving sideways here, you end up move another sideways, and probably even push up from there once again. So the lower support has been formed, and the higher support here looks to be something that's almost like that. Okay, so we might be expecting a little bit of more consolidation for the next 2 days. Today is 7 until 8th of August. So until tomorrow we might be going like this until we don't pop up and then continue to move to the upside. So if, for example, we do get a pop above this line and break and retest, then you're good to go to the upside. And if you do break down, the technical target is going to be to this area, 4,800. Okay, so that's actually like it's 48,000 actually. So that's a 2,000 drop from 50,000, boom, down, which is actually going to be what in percentage. So that's going to be from there to there. You could be looking for a 4.66, and this would be nothing more than a correction. Now could be possible because now you do have a technical target to go up here and break above here and just continue break above and go like this sideways until you don't meet this target. And when you meet this target, you start to crash all the way to the downside, and perhaps even come all the way down here, because this is a line that was never back tested, and you could back test this line. But I've told you in yesterday's video that the nature of how I see this coin is just so different. You know, it's really different. The way it behaves is so different. It doesn't even retest, and you just keep on going to the upside. So that's it for just this very quick comment and update on CAS. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.